This is Enugwu West Eastern Security Network on a patrol in Enugwu West, making sure that the Fulani herdsmen in our land are just away. They have caused a lot of damages. They have killed a lot of our mothers, raped them. So we are here today, being the 7th, to make sure that none of them will remain in our land. This is ESN, Enugwu West Senatorial District. ESN. We are here. No more going back. See, our land is safeguarded. The Fulani herdsmen opened fire as we approach towards their settlement. We are chasing them away. They are running. We are chasing them. We want to make sure that they are out of our land entirely. No. They are shooting at us. We are chasing them and they are shooting at us. They are shooting at us right now. We are making sure that they are not here. They leave our land. They must leave our land.